In recent years, many countries worldwide have been exploring the possibility of bolstering their military capabilities with highly mobile, self-propelled guns, self-propelled artillery units on wheeled chassis. This approach makes perfect sense, given that wheeled artillery systems are lighter than their traditional tracked counterparts. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 10 most intriguing and promising wheeled self-propelled howitzers from around the world. Enjoy the show! Dana M2, Czech Republic. The Dana M2, created in 1977, is a highly mobile self-propelled howitzer based on the 4-axle, all-wheel drive Tatra T-815 chassis. Its main armament is a 152mm howitzer with a monolithic barrel length of 36 calibers, capable of firing up to 12 miles with a rate of fire of 3 rounds per minute for 30 minutes. It carries a total of 60 rounds. One of Dana's unique features is its automatic loading system, which can load shells and cartridges at any elevation of the barrel. However, Dana is not an autonomous system and requires additional devices for aiming the guns. It has a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour on the highway, with a range of more than 370 miles. During the Russo-Georgian War in 2008, 2 Danas were destroyed and 2 were captured. Currently, the Dana is in service with the Czech Republic, Libya, Poland, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Slovakia, and several other countries. ATMOS 2000, Israel. The ATMOS 2000 system from Israel is based on the Tatra T-815 VVN 6x6 truck with an armored cab. Its artillery component consists of the 155mm Soltum Athos 2052 howitzer, with a barrel length of 52 calibers. This howitzer can fire the entire range of NATO 155mm shells, with a maximum range of 20 miles for regular shells and 25 miles for shells with a rocket engine. Its rate of fire ranges from 4 to 9 rounds per minute. The system can be transported by the C-130 Hercules military transport aircraft. This system has a long range, moves quickly, and has high firepower and mobility, with fast deployment, short response times, and is effective on any terrain. The system is integrated with a fully computerized system that provides automatic control, precise navigation, and target acquisition. As of 2015, the cost of the self-propelled artillery unit was approximately $2 million. It is in service with Israel, Azerbaijan, Romania, Cameroon, Thailand, and several other countries. Yavuz, Turkey. The Yavuz howitzer is mounted on a modified 6x6 wheeled truck chassis with an armored cabin. The system can be prepared for firing in around 1 minute and can change position in just 2 minutes. This towed 155mm 52 caliber howitzer has already proven successful in Turkish military operations. The crew of the howitzer consists of 5 people. Developed by MKE, the system solves the problem of artillery mobility and constraints when moving artillery over long distances. The maximum speed is 56 miles per hour. The howitzer is designed to fire 3 different types of ammunition, including NATO standard 155mm rounds. The range of the howitzer's projectiles can reach 25 miles. Zuzana II, Slovakia. Zuzana II is a self-propelled artillery system on a wheeled chassis with automatic loading, providing effective fire both by direct and indirect aiming. Its electronic equipment, diagnostic and servicing systems, and automated loading capabilities make it one of the most advanced artillery systems in the world. The maximum firing range can reach 25 miles when using improved aerodynamically shaped projectiles with bottom gas outlets, ERFBBB. The rate of fire for Zuzana II with automated loading is 6 rounds per minute in the first minute of firing or 13 rounds within 3 minutes. A reserve manual loading mode is available with a firing rate of 2 rounds per minute. Zuzana II has an ammunition load of 80 rounds and 80 charges, of which 40 rounds and 40 charges are located in the automated loading mechanism, and the rest are stored in the rear of the hull. Nora B-52, Serbia. The Nora B-52 is a mobile and highly effective Serbian self-propelled artillery system developed by military engineers in 2006. It features a modified Soviet 152mm D-20 howitzer, which can be transported on an 8x8 FAP 2632 military truck. The vehicle is well protected against bullets, shrapnel, and mines. Its maximum firing range is 25 miles, and its automatic loading system is capable of firing 6 rounds per minute or 3 regular shells in just 20 seconds. The vehicle has 12 slots for shells on each side, and an additional container with 24 extra rounds is located at the rear. The Nora B-52 can travel at speeds of up to 50 to 62 miles per hour on highways and 9 to 15 miles per hour over rough terrain. It can also overcome water obstacles and small obstacles. The crew consists of 4 to 5 people. This artillery system is not only exported to the Balkans, but also to Asia and Africa. In 2017, the Nora B-52 underwent testing in Pakistan and the UAE. Bohdana, Ukraine. The Kramatorsk Heavy Machine Tool Plant, in partnership with the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense, has been developing a self-propelled artillery installation called the 2S-22 Bohdana, with a caliber of 155 mm. Since February 2016, they have been conducting research and design work under a state defense order. The first prototype was unveiled in 2018. The Bohdana SPG is built on the chassis of the KAR AZ63221 6x6 wheel formula and has a paired armored cab that can accommodate the crew of the combat vehicle. It's equipped with an automated aiming system based on Siemens Siplus and Somatic HM controllers, as well as an automatic ammunition feed system for 6 rounds. It is possible to control recharging, targeting, and firing from both inside the cab and outside. The self-propelled artillery installation uses barrels of Ukrainian manufacture, made of the same alloy as the M100 2015 Molit mortar. The SPG has anti-bullet armored protection for the crew from B-32 caliber bullets, 7.62 mm, at a distance of no more than 30 meters, as well as protection against shrapnel from similar projectiles. There is also anti-mine protection, including protection for the wheels, unexploded artillery shells, hand grenades, and small explosive devices. Caesar, France. The Caesar is a self-propelled howitzer based on the Renault Sherpa 10, 6x6 wheeled chassis, with a crew cab at the front and an artillery gun mounted in the open at the rear. The cab is armored to protect against bullets up to 7 mm in caliber and shell fragments. The crew consists of 5 people. The upgraded version of the 155 mm TRF-1 gun, with a barrel length of 52 calibers, can fire an active-reactive projectile up to 26 miles away, with a maximum firing rate of 6 rounds per minute. The ammunition load is 36 rounds, and there is an automatic ammunition feeding system. The Caesar can move at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour on highways and 30 miles per hour off-road, with a range of 375 miles. In 2017, the cost was approximately $2.9 million. The Caesar is used by the armed forces of France, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, and Thailand. It was used by France in 2009 during the war in Afghanistan, as well as in Lebanon, Iraq, and other modern conflicts, and by operator countries in local conflicts. Archer, Sweden. One of the distinguishing features of the howitzer is the complete automation of the loading process during firing, resulting in a reduced gun crew of 3 to 4 individuals. The crew's enclosed cabin has light armor protection that shields them from small arms fire and shrapnel. The main armament of the Archer is a 155 mm howitzer with a barrel length of 52 calibers, which can fire standard ammunition up to a range of 20 miles and up to almost 40 miles with the latest M982 Excalibur projectile. The rate of fire can vary depending on the firing mode and can reach 8 to 9 rounds per minute. The fully automatic machine magazine holds 21 shells. The system is designed to provide high strategic, operational, and tactical mobility. The vehicle can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour with a range of 310 miles, can traverse snow up to 3 feet deep, and can be transported by rail and air. The cost of each unit is approximately $4.5 million. In 2020, the Swedish Army placed an order for 24 additional Archers, bringing the total number to 72. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.